Hello everyone, I'm the mother of Vishwanath. My son studies in Alma Mater School. We are basically from Chennai, and due to my husband's job in the Indian Administrative Service, we have been allotted UP cadre. And I've been through many cities in UP. And after coming to Bareilly, when I had to send my son for his first level of schooling in LKG, we were told that Alma Mater is the best school. And if somebody had to justify why that was told, I realized it after putting my son in the school, because this is a school that focuses not just only on academics, but also for extracurricular activities. And my son is into competitive chess, which he's getting very seriously trained for. And at a very young age of 4 years that he has started to play chess, handling academics and co-curricular activities could be quite pressurizing for a toddler or somebody who's going to kindergarten. But as for my son, because he's in such a school where the faculty is so supportive, the correspondent is so supportive, the owners of the school are so supportive, that he's being able to handle both his sports and his academics with ease. And his class teacher has been really understanding, and all the other faculty who are there understands the potential of the child and makes sure that the child is able to cope up with both academics and sports at the same time. So it is really a blessing for my son to be in this school at such a juncture when he's preparing for a competitive sport. And not just sports, I would specifically like to mention Mrs. Parul's vision for the kindergarten children and their classrooms and the activities that they bring in for this age group, because I feel this is a very formative age where people try to expose their children to every activity possible to understand what is the liking of the child. And this school provides that kind of an environment where the child is being exposed to all kinds of activities, so that the child will take interest and will figure out which is of their liking, right from storytelling to dancing to dramas, puppet shows, and even cooking, gasless cooking, decorative competition, arts, name it what. At such a young age, the kids are exposed to all kinds of activities, so their interests are very varied and developed, and it gives a very overall holistic development for the child. And I think the credit goes to Mrs. Parul's visionary way of making this kindergarten activities very accessible for the kids, and also ensuring that the kids are actually not one among the crowd but one above the crowd. So I'm very thankful for team of Alma Mater and all the staff, the faculty, the management, and everyone was always given extra support and care for my son, and have also been equally cordial with the parents, and have also been very visionary people, thinking of all the kids and their interests and providing the best platform to learn and grow. Thank you so much.